Lamchogo takok tei bokok sungna ani YouTube channel o sung tini nailaiunai kaisa job notification lamungmanno teiwi amongka Government of India ni faisingtui Ministry of Railway Recruitment Board ni faisingtui notification lamungmani Central ni job amongka kaisa Central ni job Government of India ni faisingtui tilangjaknai Railway Recruitment Board ni faisingtui ge oro toma qualification nangno tei bahai ke apply ma khainai tei soba apply khai mannai tei bwsuk salary mannai tei last date bo phoro omorokno saimana bagui hingke ani o video no puila simi paithak jora kaham khe naitongdi hingke phadi chong notification ni faising nailaisiwano oro tongo obo wngkha notification railway ni faisingtui lamukmani Railway Recruitment Board ni faisingtui ke oro publish khaijakha date of publish ni date ojakha 20 tarik September 2024 o publish khaijakha website do hinui saklaijakha hingke application khainani online register ma khainai hingke online registration khaiyani bagui opening date rojakha 21 tarik 9 March 2024 মানে 21 tarik September ni 21 tarik ni simi online application cholenai gebani last date wngkha oro last date rojakha closing online registration 20 October 2024 joratui application khai mannai hingke pura 1 mas joratui somai mannai hingke nirok apply khairokmani hingke apply khainani bagui toma qualification nangno tei age limit bwsuk tei bwsuk salary mannai omo hairok siwani bagui hingke ani o video no puila simi paithak jora kaham khe naitongdi aro toma post tong aro post ni bagui detail vacancies rojak tongo detail of vacancies at a glance khaiwi rojak aro apply khainani bagui qualification rojakha undergraduate post undergraduate ni bagui post langjaknai hingke minimum 12 pass wngkha onkhaino apply khaiwi mannai hingke jara 12 pass khaijak jekono stream o 12 pass khaijak wngkhaino oro jagao apply khaiwi manswnai hingke aboni bagui age limit rojak tongo oro 18 bochor theke 33 bochor joratui tei loge o relaxation manai 3 years relaxation manai tangoi himala COVID-19 ni beparui COVID-19 ni bagui 3 years jora age relaxation manai hingke 18 bochor theke 33 hingthani 36 36 bochor joratui apply khaiwi mannai hingke oro toma post tong details naidi aro serial wise tongo 4 serial tongo first tongo commercial cum ticket clerk aboni bagui pay level tongnai 3 joratui initial pay rojaknai 21700 ni theke starting 21700 taka khaiwi starting o rojaknai hingke aboni bagui vacancies tongo 2022 ta vacancies tongo first number ni commercial cum ticket clerk ni bagui hingke second number o tongo account clerk cum typist aboni bagui tongnai 361 post hingke aro junior clerk cum typist ni bagui tongnai 990 vacancies hingke aro tei last o tongo train clerk ni bagui tongnai 72 ta vacancies hingke total tongo oro 3445 ta vacancies tongnai aro chong tabuk short khe nailaisinai video log yanatui hingke jara notification no full details saimana bagui hingke ani description no notification ni link rojak tongnai download khawi nai manai hayakeba je official website o thangui nirok download khawi nai mannai ge oro nangkokmani kaisa tongo mongkha examination fee ni bagui oro 500 taka khaiwi ge oro tongphio second number o jara ST SC rok ni bagui hingkhe 250 mane 250 taka examination fee maronai hinui saklaijak hingkhe oro fee rokni bagui hingkhe online no maronai online apply khaithani o hingkhai oro recruitment process tongo recruitment process rojakha first stage computer based test maronai CBT first stage o tongnai time rojaknai 90 minutes general awareness tongnai 40 ta question mathematics tongnai 30 question general intelligence reasoning o tongnai 30 question total 100 question ni bagui exam maronai first stage CBT o boni bagui oro syllabus rojak tongo mathematics tongnai general intelligence tongnai reasoning general awareness abo hairok oro jara first stage CBT o qualify nai borok hai second stage computer based test haikeba CBT exam marophinai second stage CBT exam boni bagui duration time rojak phinai 90 minutes no bo haine aro general awareness no tongnai 50 ta questions mathematics o tongnai 35 questions general intelligence and reasoning o tongnai 35 question total question tongnai 120 question ni bagui second stage CBT maronai hinui saklaijak oro important notice rojak phikha important khaiwi oro tongnai first number post tongo commercial kam typist clerk ni bagui aboni bagui tongnai skill test nangya boni bagui account clerk kam typist boni bagui jara qualify nai borok typing skill test maronai junior clerk kam typist boni bagui bo typing skill test maronai hinui saklaijak oro last tongo train clerk ni bagui hingkhe skill test nangya commercial kam typist ni bagui kam ticket clerk ni bagui first number ni bai last ni skill test nangya hinui saklaijak oro jagao jara computer skill computer rangyakho abo hai rong khana first number bai last number o apply khai roi mannai jara computer krang borok hai rong khana all post o no nero choose khaiwi apply khaiwi mannai jara apply khainai muchungnai rok ani o description no link rojak tongnai haikhe niro official notification official website o thangui niro apply khai mannai oro notification ni bisingo details rojak tongo janja RRB board ni website oro tongo first tongo Ahmedabad tongo Ajmer aro tongo Prayagraj abo haikhe na chini Tripura ni bagui hingkhai aro tongnai Guwahati ni under o Guwahati o chwng apply ma khainai aro jagao website number rojak tongo aro phone number bo rojak tongo hingkhe niro phone o khaiwi phano niro details hai mannai hingkhe niro jara apply khaina muchungnai rok oro website o thangui niro apply khaiwi mannai hingkhe niro kaham khe sai mankha na hingkhe jara notification kaham khe naina muchungnai rok download khaiwi nai porai kaham khe naiwi manai hingkhe jara apply khaina muchungnai rok jotoi nirokni document ready khaiwi nai apply khaiwi roi mannai khnani simi ekheba 21 tarik September ni simi 20 tarik October joratui apply khai mannai jara 12 pass khaijak hingkhe apply khai mannai 12 pass graduate under post graduate omo hai rok apply khai mana hinai saklaijak kha tei oro koyek din sikang graduate jara graduate rokni bagaibo online apply cholaini tongo tabuk jora jara graduate ni under o graduate ni post ni bagui jara apply khaiya khorok khai mannai chini 13 tarik October jora tei apply khai manai boni bahaino boni video no nugya kongkhe ani channel o video upload khaijak tongo nirok nai mannai tini ni bagui asung nai nirok kaham khe sai mankha video no chajak hwnkhe like khai di share khai di tei katal naiwi tongkha hwnkhe subscribe khai rodi tei bo katal job notification manani bagui tini ni bagui asung kha jotono hambai।